Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to resolve if the Windows Media Player application is not working or loading properly. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward tutorial, guys, and without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So we're going to start by opening up the Start menu, type in Services. Best result should go back with Services listed right above App, so go ahead and left click on that. Locate the Windows Media Player Network Sharing Service. So you're going to have to probably scroll down near the bottom here. And double click on it. Set setup type to either manual or automatic, doesn't matter. And service status, you want to go ahead and select Start. And select Apply and OK. And close out of here. Open up the Start menu, type in Control Panel. Best result should go back with Control Panel, so go ahead and open that up. Set the view by to large icons, and then select Troubleshooting. Select the View All on the left side, and then you want to locate Windows Media Player Library. So again, Windows Media Player Library, go ahead and left click on that. Select Next, and apply whatever fixes it recommends. And then go ahead and close it here. Let's just restart your computer once that's done, and then hopefully your issue should have been resolved. One further thing you can try, if you go on Google here, if you go onto Google and you search up Media Player Codec Pack and just search for it. You see MediaPlayerCodecPack.com. Just going to go ahead and actually open this up here. I will have a link to this in the description of the video, guys. And this will be a codec pack, so if you're missing codecs from your Windows Media Player, you can just go ahead and download them here. So we're going to select the download for Windows 10 8.7 and just go ahead and select that. It's about 44 megabytes, so it's definitely not small, but it's not that large, so it shouldn't take us too long here. And once that is done downloading, just go ahead and open it up. Just run it like you would any normal file. You close out of the web browser too at this time. Because I might not have run the file, so I'm going to just go back into the downloads folder and just go ahead and double click on it. It should say Media Player Codec Pack. Go ahead and select yes. And just select Easy Installation. Select Next. Select I agree. Select Next again. And we're going to decline this offer here of Avast. Decline this McAfee Security Plus. And we're just going to let it finish up here. Select Next, and it should say installation completed successfully. Some settings may not apply until you restart your computer. Some file association cannot be changed in Windows 10. Would you like to view the file association guide? I'm going to just select no. You can view that on your own time if you want. I will restart the system here though. And that should hopefully be about it, guys. So, as always, thank you for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.